Now I know my ABC. Let's learn the alphabet. 26 amazing letters await you. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for butterfly dance in the sky. C is for cat. Cat says meow. D is for dinosaurs love to roar. E is for elephant are the biggest land animal. F is for fish swim in the sea. G is for giraffe are very tall. H is for heart beats with love. I is for ice cream is so cold and delicious. J is for jellyfish. Jiggle it. K is for kite fly high in the sky. L is for lions are kings of the jungle. M is for moon shines at night. N is for nests make a cozy bird home. O is for octopus has 8 wiggly arms. P is for pizza are round and yummy. Q is for queens wear shiny crowns. R is for rainbow has beautiful color. S is for sun is bright and warm. T is for turtles are slow and steady. U is for umbrella keeps you dry. V is for volcano erupts. W is for whale, our biggest ocean animal. X is for xylophones make beautiful music. Y is for yo-yo go up and down. Z is for zebra is black and white. You learned your ABC. Like, share, and subscribe. Bacho ki Duniya. Bye, kids.
Hello, kids, let's learn accounting. 1 to 100. 1. 1 chicks. 2. 2 chicks. 3. 3 chicks.
4. 4 chicks. 5. 5 chicks. 6. 6 chicks. 7. 7 chicks. 8. 8 chicks. 9. 9 chicks. 10. 10 goat. 11. 11 goat. 12. 12 goat. 13. 13 goat. 14. 14 goat. 15. 15 goat. 16. 16 goat. 17. 17 goat. 18. 18 goat. 19. 19 goat. 20. 20 goat. 21. 21 goat. 22. 22 goat. 23. 23 cow. 24. 24 cow. 25. 25 cow. 26. 26 cow.
27 cow. 28 cow. 29 cow. 30 duck. 31 duck. 32 duck. 33 duck. 34 duck. 35 duck. 36 duck. 37 duck. 38 duck. 39 duck. 40 horse. 41 horse. 42 horse. 43 horse. 44 horse. 45 horse. 46 horse. 47 horse. 48 horse. 49 horse.